Zarina Marie Balba Guevara, known professionally as DJ Chacha, is a Filipino radio disc jockey, actress, and broadcast journalist. DJ Chacha began her career as a radio disc jockey at ABS-CBN's FM station, WRR 101.9 Manila in 2008. The station was later rebranded as Tambayan on November 4, 2009, and then more on July 8, 2013. On May 5, 2020, Moore, along with ABS-CBN and Radio Patrol, went off-air due to the cease and desist order from the NTC after its legislative franchise expired on May 4th. DJ Chacha was born on the 30th of August, 1987. She is famous for being a radio host. She and model Jinri Park both appeared on Season 7 of PBB. DJ Chacha's age is 38. Filipino radio personality and best-selling author who became known as a contestant on Season 7 of the reality show Pinoy Big Brother. She is author of the book Napakasakit Chacha. The 38-year-old radio host was born in Philippines. She originally became known as a radio host for More 101.9 and a showbiz correspondent for DZMM. She has amassed more than 170,000 Instagram followers and growing. The House of Representatives denied the franchise renewal on July 10, 2020, leading to the cessation of several ABS-CBN divisions and retrenchment of employees on August 31, 2020. Additionally, she co-hosted Phelan Engay on SADZMM until May 5, 2020, which was then rebranded as Phelan Engay on SA Teleradio starting May 8, 2020, alongside Ted Phelan until its final episode on August 31, 2020. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.